Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone.
Good morning everyone, it is Gillian and welcome to today's super fun vlog. So today I am up quite early and that is because I'm going on a road trip. So today my mum and I are going to be driving about 3 hours out of Sydney to pick up my grandma who is staying with her sister at the moment. So we are going to be driving up over a mountain and to the other side. There is a lot of farms and I always get excited when there's farms. It's going to be a long day and I'm going to be sitting in a car a lot today, but I'm going to take snacks. I'm going to be the DJ and play some great music and I'm going to take you along with me so you can see a bit more of Australia.
Dream up a world of pirates, climb the highest tree, fall down. Mama, I'm fine, don't worry. Go back out to sea, sail home, sweet home, where the
We are at the first pit stop of the day. The traffic is so good today. I am going to go and get something to eat from one of my favorite places, McDonald's. I'm going to get out of the car now and stretch my legs.
call it a day. Call it a day. Putting our life in boxes, erasing the memories so you won't notice. I'm taking the time to focus. You're by yourself, I'm by myself. Wish I could solve your problems. They're stuck on my wall like neon paintings, and I'm so tired of being honest to everyone by myself. I do it so well. We were so good at flying, but we can't keep flying. We keep getting stuck on the wrong side of the mountain. We were so good at trying, but we can't keep trying, 'cause we only end up on the wrong side of the mountain. We gave it so many chances. When we saw the signs, we just kept dancing, and the nights always seemed so endless. Thought it would last, now it's in the past. We were so good at flying, but we can't keep flying. We keep getting
Good morning everyone, it's Gillian and today is kind of a special day. It is my birthday and I've just gotten ready because we're about to go out for a little bit of a surprise. My mom has made plans somewhere, but she hasn't given anything away, so I'm excited to see what we're gonna get up to for my birthday. And I started off the day by finding these awesome balloons at my front door, which made me so happy. How awesome is the unicorn? It's the most perfect balloon bouquet and it was from my mom and it made me so happy. So let's start my birthday adventures and yeah, let's go see what we're gonna get up to.
Never, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky me. Lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky me. Lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever would have believed them. No reason.
That was the coolest birthday surprise ever. I had no idea it was going to be anything like that. I knew there was going to be food involved. But other than that, I had no idea, and to walk in and see a Barbie themed high tea made me so happy. So on my birthday, I was surrounded by everything Barbie and everything pink. Even the food was all Barbie and pink themed. I feel like if the color pink had a taste, I now know what that taste is. It's very, very sweet. It was such an awesome high tea to celebrate Barbie's 60th year, I guess. It's her 60th anniversary this year. She's been around for 60 years, and this was a high tea for that. And it was in Sydney, and it was happening around the time of my birthday. It was perfect and meant to be. If you're wondering why I was so excited about a Barbie themed high tea, is because very recently I've actually started to collect the rare Silkstone Barbie dolls and also the more collectible ones. I've always loved Barbie, but right now my Barbie obsession is a little bit higher than normal. So I'll show you a couple of the Barbie dolls that I actually have downstairs. Here is an Audrey Breakfast at Tiffany's themed Barbie. Isn't she beautiful? She's got two little pins holding her hat in place. I feel bad. I think I gave her a bit of a headache, but the hat would not stay on, but there we go. So there's the first Audrey. Here we have another Audrey doll, and this is the outfit that she wears in the opening scene of Breakfast at Tiffany's. I feel like it's such an iconic look, and I added a little cat. I felt like this totally looked like the cat that she has, and now I have my favorite Audrey looks on display, and she's standing next to my little pups, and I just put some Barbie and Tiffany books next to it just to kind of go with it. And then if we go up a little bit more, we have Miss Marilyn. This is a very famous dress for Marilyn. She wore it in Gentlemen Prefer Blondes when she sung Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend. I love the movie so much, and when I saw that there was a Barbie doll for it, I had to get it, and it's just a beautiful pink outfit, and she's also got some little fake diamonds I put around her feet just to go with it and make it more sparkly. So those are the Barbies that are down here. So those two Barbies, I think, are both from the 1990s, and I found them in really good condition. Let's go upstairs, hang on. Oh, wrong one. There we go. And then upstairs is where I have a majority of the dolls. I one day want to put them in a really cool cabinet and style them all. I just haven't figured out yet what I want to do exactly. So these Barbie dolls are the Silkstone Barbie dolls, and these are my favorite ones to collect. They are stunning. I love their outfits. They all have individual makeup looks. I had no idea that Barbie dolls could even look like this. This one is definitely one of my favorites. I love her pink tweed outfit. She is called Preferably Pink. As you can see, I do really like the pink themed ones. So this is a waitress. This is Bota Ensemble Barbie, and as you can see, she's in a beautiful navy suit. And I've just got a little table and chair here. I'm pretty sure the reason I had never heard of these dolls is because they were probably never a big thing in Australia. But I definitely think they're a massive thing in America. I think they have like conventions and events, and they have like fan clubs and everything like that. And it's just opened up a whole new world to me. These dolls are definitely only here temporarily. This is meant to be a workspace, and they're kind of taking over at the moment, and I need my office area back. I just need to find the perfect glass display cabinet. I know that IKEA has one that a lot of people use. I'm looking all over Pinterest and everything, trying to get some inspo, but I haven't yet decided what I want to do. While I was doing that little Barbie tour, you probably noticed that my apartment is pretty much finished now. I've actually been here for a while, and I'm still tweaking things, but it's at a point now where I think I'm ready to do an apartment tour, so that'll be coming up really soon. I'm so excited for that, and I love the space. It's so perfect and pink and pretty and exactly what I wanted, and very me. Big Audrey, little Audrey, big Audrey, little Audrey. So much Audrey. I love it. This vlog was definitely a little bit all over the place, but I loved taking you along with me. So we had a birthday, a road trip, and a whole lot of Barbies, but I hope you enjoyed watching. I love you to the moon and back, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!